guys, it's been a while. Today we're gonna grab down those cameras that I put down on Highway 89. It's been way longer than I thought they were gonna be out. That is recovery time from pregnancy and stuff. But I did grab them before the storms hit because it's getting cold. It's getting fussy. Look how long my hair is now. Yeah, so we're gonna go grab those. It's probably gonna be way too dark to see what I'm doing. So it's November 19th. If anything's bad with the cameras, I'll let you guys know. But it's November 19th, so that's a pretty good amount of time. Their camera, school's camera, the undercrossing, and there's another camera over there. It's the little twisted wire. Nice and twisted. Destination number 2. I gotta go up and over this thing. He warned me that this is gonna be kind of steep. That doesn't look fun. It sounded like it was going to be a lot harder. Undercrossing number 2. Let's make sure I got that. I'm going to set up right here underneath theirs. They have another one across the thing. I just came down from over here. There's my car. Okay. My little setup on this one's different. I've got a chain to it, a couple padlocks. So this one, the 4th lock that I got from the school wouldn't unlock the keys that they gave me, so I'm using my own chain. I got a couple locks, and it's wrapped around there a couple times, so hopefully it's fine. Really hoping it's fine. Yeah, and so now I'm gonna climb back out of this area. It's kind of interesting how they did this. This thing is designed to have deer go up and over and out of the highway, but not be able to go back this way. That's what Ken Russo told me. He was like, be wary about this because you'll probably have to climb up it. It's pretty neat, pretty neat. Okay, so this one, they do not have a camera on. Right, there's Highway 89. Oh, there's their camera. That's funny. And then mine is right here. Gets the fence, but not the highway. Super locked, super done. Boom. Now I'm gonna go try to find where the fence ends on the other side of this. None of these have been super hard to get to, so fingers crossed that it's not that bad, because during the duration of this, I'm gonna have to come check them while I'm more and more pregnant. So, yep. Okay, so I actually kind of spotted this one while I was driving. Empty, but maybe that tree is tagged. Kinda makes me worried. But yeah, like right here, there's like a bunch of little deer tracks. These little pumpkins. Cause that one's too little. No, that one has a mark. I'm gonna put it on this one. Well, this one needs a little button. It says you captured 4, but when I put it into the camera, it says that there's nothing. I think it's at the same angle as what that one used to be. Hey, little camera, hope you're okay here. Alrighty, so this is checking the cams. I haven't been here in about a month and a half. Cameras are still there. Still super steep. At camera 4, it's here. Batteries 98%. Bunches on this one. Camera number 3 is right there. Alrighty. Camera number 1 is actually right here. And it is still there. I'm pretty relieved that it's still there because I remember setting it up and I was like, I don't know, this one's not as guarded as the other places. Still there. Camera. to the road. It is now in April. It's been months since I collected those cameras. My little one is now 7 months old, so I'm finally now going through all the data and stuff, and I still need to get back to the biologist. The undercrossings that were made for the deer actually work really well for bobcats, coyotes, and bear. They still need to migrate, and it's still totally worth it because it just helps so much with biodiversity, and it helps avoid gene splicing to have these undercrosses. But what I found is that deer don't really like to go through caves. So like the coyotes and the bobcats, mountain lions, bears, they're all okay with going in dens and, you know, because that's what they do. But the deer, because they can't see on the other side of the tunnel, like the two sides, you know, and they can smell the pheromones and stuff from these carnivores that go through there, they actually tend to avoid using these undercrossings because they were put in for deer. And I'll link the page about the undercrossings down below. The undercrossings were actually placed in the middle of like this high traffic zone of their migration path, and that's why they were placed there. But instead of continuing their migration path, like the highway would be here, and then the fence would be along there, and it'd go up and around and through. So they're still going over the highway. I guess I'll link in now a bunch of photos I enjoyed. There's actually one undercrossing that a coyote showed up. He was kind of like this like burnt sienna rust color, and he showed up. He saw the undercrossing. You can tell that he's smiling, you know, you can see dogs and stuff smile. And then you can see him later show up with other coyote animals. Like, once they see their original migration path interrupted, they'll try to avoid that area. They see big obstructions, construction, like the construction on this highway probably took a really long time. And so it's really nice seeing that these coyotes will change back their migration paths, and I'll show others. I think that's huge. So yeah, I hope you enjoy these photos, because I really do.